Alert: number of asteroids near Earth is growing. There are more than 30,000. More than 30,000 near-Earth asteroids have been discovered, and the numbers are increasing. Can any of them reach planet Earth? Subscribe to the channel. In the last decade, 30,000 near-Earth asteroids were discovered in the Solar System, which are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun in a path that brings them closer to Earth. This is evidence that the scientific community's ability to detect potentially dangerous asteroids is rapidly improving. The first near-Earth asteroid, 433, Eros, was discovered nearly 100 years later, on August 13, 1898. A body is called a near-Earth asteroid when its trajectory approaches 1.3 astronomical units from the Sun. An astronomical unit is the distance between the Sun and Earth, and these asteroids can reach at least 0.30, which is the equivalent of 45 million kilometers of our planet's orbit. The approximately 30 kilometers asteroid Eros was discovered by Carl Gustav Witt and Felix Link at the Urania Observatory in Berlin and independently by Auguste Charlevoix at the Nice Observatory. The stony asteroid's orbit makes it circle about 22 million kilometers from Earth, 57 times the distance of the Moon. Eros is not only the first known near-Earth asteroid, but the first asteroid to be orbited by a spacecraft and the first to have a spacecraft land on it. Early calculations of the space rock's orbit also allowed a precise determination of the then imperfectly known distance between the Sun and Earth. Naturally, large asteroids were discovered first, as they are easier to see. These asteroids were considered minor planets, but as telescopes became more sensitive, the discovery became much faster and more advanced. Ground research telescopes such as the Catalina Sky Survey in Arizona, United States, discover new asteroids every week. They are designed to scan large sections of the sky and look for new objects that move in front of the still star backdrop. Larger, more specific telescopes such as the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope (VLT) can be used for follow-up observations, helping to better understand the path, size and even composition of a new asteroid. Some of the smaller objects will impact the Earth, but without posing major risks to the population, and in some cases will be responsible for creating trails of shooting stars as they burn in the night sky. Most large and potentially devastating asteroids larger than 1 kilometer in diameter have already been discovered and the risk of impact is real. For those that may impact later, there is still plenty of time to study them and prepare a diversion mission. The good news is that more than half of today's known near-Earth asteroids have been discovered in the last 6 years, showing how much asteroid observation is improving, explains Richard Moisel, head of planetary defense at the European Space Agency. The current priority is medium-sized asteroids a few hundred meters in diameter. Many are still out there, waiting to be discovered, and in small sizes they are not so easy to find. This new milestone of 30,000 detections shows that as new telescopes and detection methods are built, it will only be a matter of time before they are all found. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications, to receive new videos.